Have we lost evermore an avian great that roam bottomlands in the southern states, with plumage black and white, and just a touch of red to mark the male bird's head? It made for a beautiful sight. But what made this bird so famous, and Native Americans utterly shameless in collecting and trading its skull, was its ivory bill, with which it would drill in dead and dying trees, beetles and grubs to cull, in order to get its fill and its young to feed. But the natives were not to blame for the woodpecker's uncertain fate. No, these birds couldn't be constrained within the shrinking frame of deforestation. Their need of space was just too great to live in a logging plantation. 2,000 acres per breeding pair was what the ivory-bill needed to survive, so even when viable, they're exceedingly rare. It's hard to see them anywhere, to find them, dead or alive. Several times they have disappeared, only to be rediscovered far and near. Gone from the swamps of Alabama, they turn up in Louisiana. Most recently, thought gone for good, they showed up in Arkansas's big woods. We only know a species is gone when it cannot be found. If we never hear its song, we know a bird is not around. But the ivory bill is so elusive that its status can never be conclusive. Strangely, we may not be sure if it is living, nevermore.